Hello. Hi, let's go over what we have learned last Sunday class. So first, I want to start with build a swimming pool. So to do that, I need to have a ground. So I create a cube, make it editable, then make it very thin, but very big. Okay, this will be the ground. So to generate the pool, we need to have another box, and we are going to use Boolean calculation to get the pool. So I want my pool to, like this. So find the pool is here. Put two items under the pool. So rename, so the ground, and this one is pool. So actually it's not a pool, but something we use to generate the pool. So if it's not correct, so I need to switch the order. So I got the pool, but there's an issue. The pool does not have a bottom. So this is a very easy fix. You can select the pool, the smaller object, and then drag it up. You see, I got the bottom. So I middle click and right click, make it editable by connect object and delete. Rename this as a pool. So the next step is to make the water. So the water, I do not want to be still water. I want to see some waves, moving waves on the water. So right now we have only a dry pool. There's no water at all. So first we need to create the water. So to have water, we have two ways. One is to just use a spline, drag it up, match its size and shape with the pool. So this is probably the easiest one. To make animation, I need let me rename it first, water. So to make animation on the water, we need the water to have subdivisions, adequate subdivisions. Right now we have some subdivision, but I don't think this is enough to make the water animation. So I'm going to increase, especially the height segments. So I want each grid to be kind of like a square shape. Okay, so this is the water. So then I make it editable by hitting C. Then I continue to select water, go to modifier. This menu, we already learned how to use the FFD, and displacer is the one we're going to use today. So displacer, so since it's purple or gray color, it needs to be a child. So I drag it on the water. So select displacer. By default, it's already select shading. That's good. And you need to find shader. In shader, find noise. Yeah, I want you to remember these 4 steps: displacer, shading, shader, and noise. So these 4 steps, I'm sure you will use it many times in the future. So you see already we can see some waves or wrinkles. So that's because the noise has a black and white color. So all the black dots will go under, but all the white dots will go above. So that makes the surface uneven. So if yeah, we can, if we click noise, we can go into it. There's a lot of options. So you can find noise here. Click this arrowhead. You see you have a lot of noise options. So you can select different type of noise. Or this one. And next one, you can adjust the global scale. So if you make the number very big, you see the wave will be very smooth. But if you make the number very small, you see we can see a very tough surface. So this is not like the wave. So I want to, in this case, I want to 1000, even 2000. Oh, 2000 is too big. Yeah, just find the number fit for your case. Okay, the next one is animation speed. So I change 0 to like a 1. So let's say play. So you see the water is moving and there's some wave, but this noise type is not good. So I'm going to change it back to, I don't know what's this one. Let's see. Yeah, at least it's better than last one. Let me find the default. And where the default one. Yeah, I think it's fine to use this one. So also you can select water and drag it up to looks like you have more water, you have deeper water, or you can move it, or you can make an animation to mimic the water is going up slowly, or you can do the reverse. The water is draining out. Okay. So, okay, this is how you will make the water with waves. And so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to show you another way to do the water. So select the bool, go to surface and find the bottom. Just the bottom surface and right click. Oh, what happened? Right click, find split. Split, you will have another object in your list. Just rename it as water. So this is the selected surface. So you see, I want you to hit A and B to look at the subdivision. This one, this surface obviously does not have any subdivision. It just have 4 edges and one surface. So in order to make the noise work, we need to add additional subdivision. So basically it's to cut the lines, this direction and this direction. So of course it's hard to do that manually, one by one. So that's why we are going to use the bevel. So bevel can, so yeah, let's still stay in surface and key and L loop cut. So hold shift. So add 2 lines. So next I go to the edge, select 1 line, this line, and this line, and MS. Wow, why I have so many lines? That's because somehow I put the subdivision to 69. It's super high. So this is in the Bible menu. So I want to make it like just 9. So then I undo and MS redo. Okay, I think that this looks good. Next, I'm going to select the other edge. So make sure you click outside to deselect the edges and U and L and MS. Okay, C, MS. Strange. I have some strange shape. Okay. If it doesn't work, just zoom in, hold Shift. Then MS. Make sure you have reach the both ends, and then you go into bevel menu, change subdivision surface 9 to this one. I believe would be 80. Okay, yeah, I have right now I have many subdivisions. So right now I select water and go to this placer, drag it on the water, and shading, shader, noise. Go into noise, find animation, and play. So actually, if you want to adjust the height of your wave, you can go here in the displacer noise menu. You will find a left arrowhead, click it, and you will go back to noise and select object. There's a height. So if you increase the height, you got something like this. So it's a very rough surface. So, but still, even with this height, you can make it smooth by just adjusting the global scale. Let's try it. So right now 100, if I put it at 1000, oh, 1000, you see, even we give it a very high height, after we increase the global size, it still becomes smooth. But this one, I don't think it's good. It's let's see. Obviously, that high number is not a good option. So let me go back to the super high, like 10, 20. Yeah, 20 should be fine. So select water in the mode, model mode, bring it down into the pool. So this method gives you a perfect match with the shape of the pool because it was a part of the pool. So, and also this allows you to do some for example, if you want to make a pond with an irregular shape, so you can use this method to get the bottom and the water and add noises on the water. So, okay, then I'm going to delete. Last Sunday, we also covered how to turn a 2D object into a 3D object. How, like, we have a circle, how to turn this circle in a 3D object. So we can bring in extrude. So extrude, you see we have a 3D object. So if you select extrude, you can change the outside, and also you can change the types to make the corner round. Okay, so the extrude will allows you to have a 3D object if your 2D shape is enclosed. So what do you mean by that? So I mean, if we draw something not closed, we're not going to get a 3D object. So let's try that. So I see we have such big space, space. So we say, so we get, it's also a 3D object, but not something we expected. So this suggests you, if you want to have a solid object, you need to make sure the shape, the 2D shape is closed. So, but this is still, I think, still useful. You know, if you want to make something like a belt or whatever. So, and also if you can, you can also use the 2D test spline. So you can type what your like your name, and change the font. So and put it under extrude. You see, you got 3D names, and selecting extrude, you can make here object. You can make animation. So you can make your name growing, and also you can make it round and growing. So let me make animation. So and also you can modify the test. So for example, if you hit C, make it editable. So right now this test is the same as the spline you draw. So you can change the position of the points to add some deviation to the words. Let's see. So also you can change the spline shape. For example, right now I use B spline, adaptive, uniform. As I said, I always do this all together. So I think Andy, wow, caps. So you see, by a few steps, I got a very unique words. So you cannot find the similar things in the world, like this one. It's very unique, very stylized. Okay, I think you can use this method to do many things. For example, you can make a words for your card, or you can uh, even make an animation on your name or your words like happy birthday or happy Father's Day or whatever. And also you can use this method to make some irregular shape. For example, you draw whatever shape like I don't know what's this. Actually, I just put under like shoot. You see, you have something. So if you middle click and right click, connect object, delete, make it editable. So you can do your next step addition. So for example, I select the surface, hit I, and hit D. Oh, it goes out. Oh, that's too much. I, okay, D, I. Oh. Yeah, just a simple example for you. What else? I think that's it. Thank you.